Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Kim Pamasagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natutigan natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Raphael messages for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries ang ating mahaganap? So guys, this reading is a general di lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, guys, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. No? Manambalik at siksik tiglig umapaw ang bumalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. So, umpisahan na natin ang totoong laman. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Aries, for Archangel Raphael messages for the sign of Aries. Ano ang pinaka-messages for you ng ating nagabay? Wow! My goodness. Ngayon pa lang ay pasabog ka na. Dahil Jesus, the divine healer. Ibig sabihin dito, na ginagabayan ka ni Jesus, no? At paggagalingin ka niya sa anumang uri ng karamdaman mo. So, talagang ginaguide ka dito or ginaguide si Archangel Raphael, no, to help you from your situations. Maaaring kumbaga binigyan ng power ni Jesus Christ, no, ng ating Panginoon, ng ating Ama rather, no, ang Archangel na si Raphael para pagalingin ka sa anumang sugat or anumang yang pighati or karamdaman, no, or pagdurusa o sakit na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Sorry. At the same time, there's a yes, no? Kumbaga kung nag-iisip ka, kung may mga pinagdadaanan ka, kung humihingi ka ng gabay, kumbaga itutuloy mo ba ang laban or itutuloy mo ba yung sitwasyon mo, there's a possible yes, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito ni Archangel Raphael na yes, magpatuloy ka at ilaban mo. At the same time, there's a call upon Archangel Raphael to help you. Ibig sabihin dito, tawagin mo lang daw si Archangel Raphael para kung humihingi ka ng tulong sa kanya, 'di ba? Or humingi ka ng tulong sa kanya, no? So let's see paano natin siya hihimay-himayin, no? Para mas maunawaan nyo ang pinaka-mensahe ni Archangel Raphael. Angel Spirit, please give me information. Wow! My goodness. There's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success, no? A Six of Wands is, kumbaga, fight, diba? Laban na laban, pero, kumbaga, ipapanalo mo ang laban. And of course, there is Four of Swords. Listen to your intuitions, no? Listen to your gut feeling. Kailangan makikinig ka lagi sa bugso ng damdamin mo or yung kaba or vibrations mo, no? Or intuitions mo, rather. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an inner voice, no? At the same time, there's a Ten of Cups. No, okay, thank you. Si Archangel Raphael daw ang gumagabay sa'yo, no? And of course, there's a Ten of Cups, there's a happiness. And of course, there's, wow, my goodness. And of course, there's a Seven of Wands. Protect your power, protect your energy, or kailangan mong proteksyonan yung sarili mo. Rather, ng iyong family, kasi inggitin kayo, no? Maraming naiinggit sa inyo. And of course, there's a King of Pentacles. Kumbaga, there's a practicality, no? Kailangan maging secure about sa finances at kailangan magkaroon ka ng, maging practical ka sa lahat ng eksena mo pagdating sa finances. At the same time, there's Eight of Pentacles. Mag-focus ka sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, no? Kumbaga, tumutok ka lang dyan. So, what is the Six of Wands? What is the Six of Wands, Angel Spirit Guides? And of course, there is a Queen of Swords. Oh, the bigger feature. Kumbaga, ipapanalo mo natin dito at kumbaga, tanaw mo na mananalo ka sa laban. Parang ganon. At the same time, there's a Seven of Pentacles. There's a harvest time or profit or something na, kumbaga, makukuha mo what you deserve. No? Makinig ka lang sa intuitions mo. Makinig ka sa inner voice mo. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. And of course, your instinct. So, let's see what is the Ten of Cups. And of course, there is a Knight of Swords. See? Sinasabi dito, there's unhappiness, no? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety and depression dito because of, kumbaga, siguro sa mga pinagdadaanan mo. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng overthinking dito at the same time. What is the Seven of Wands? And of course, there's some Empress card, a revert, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng bagong negosyo or bagong trabaho, no? Isisilang ulit yung panibagong eksena dito. Or some of you sinasabi na kailangan nyo magbukas ng bagong negosyo, trabaho at proteksyonan nyo. Mag-set kayo ng protection para at least hindi napapasukan ng negativity ang inyong negosyo at trabaho, ha? Let's see what is additional messages for the King of Pentacles. There's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. My goodness. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo dito, ha? Para sinasabi dito sa akin na kailangan maging practical kapag dating sa finances. Parang sinasabi dito na itutuloy mo ba, bibili ka ba ng ganito, alam mo naman sa sarili mo na hindi mo naman kailangan or baka luho lang or something. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan maging practical ka. My God. And of course, there's a King of Wands. Control, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kailangan mag-focus ka sa trabaho, negosyo mo. Diba? Tumuto ka dyan, no? And of course, wow! There's a Four of Wands. Kumbaga, there's a celebration, homecoming. And of course, there's a twin flame energy, no? And of course, there is a Seven of Cups. Okay, there's a lot of opportunities. And of course, there's a lot of options, no? Okay. Maraming oportunidad at maraming pagkakataon dito. There's a 777 angels number, ha? Pakicheck nyo na lang sa, i-search nyo, Google, tawag dito, 777 angels number, baka magkaroon ng message sa iyo ng ating mga gawin dyan. And of course, there's a Four of Cups, reevaluate or analyze. And of course, there's a 444, there's an angels number din. Kung baga sinasabi sa iyo dito na kailangan mong pag-isipan, no, yung isang bagay, no, hindi, kumbaga, wag kang babase sa isang kaligayahan lang sa isang araw lang or something. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo pag-isipan na maraming beses para hindi ka ma-stress or hindi ka magkaroon ng anxieties. Evaluate or analyze, no? What is a Seven of Wands and of course the Three of the Empress card? Seven of Wands and the Empress card. And of course, there is a King of Cups. Ooh. There is a devoted and supportive person na may taong sumusuporta sa'yo dito. Kumbaga, susuportahan ka dito sa pagbubukas ng panibagong eksena or trabaho, negosyo mo, no? Sinasabi dito na magsimula ka ng bago, no? At siguro pinag-iisipan mo kung magsisimula ka ba ng trabaho or negosyo, kumbaga ganun. Kumbaga kaya pala there's a possible yes, no? Parang sinasabi dito na may pagsilang, di ba? Kumbaga, oh yes, nakita mo, there's a possible yes, and of course, parang may silang na bata. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, ano kasi sinasabi na Empress card dito, there's a revert. Ibig sabihin dito, talagang may isisilang na panibagong opportunity sa'yo. It's either trabaho, negosyo, no? Ibig sabihin na susuportahan ka nitong tao na to. At the same time, there's a Six of Cups. Okay, sinasabi na Six of Cups is the past person, no? Kumbaga, ito, makinig ka sa intuitions mo, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, maging practical ka lang. Baka itong tao na to is either your friend, relatives, and of course, mga kapitbahay or your ex, no? Maraming possibility dito. Let's see muna. Bago ako mag-proceed dito, gusto ko i-clarify muna to. Okay. Thank you. See? There's a past person. Ibig sabihin dito, maraming naiinggit sa inyo. Sa paligid nyo rin, rather, ha? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, you need to take an action for this, no? Kumbaga, makinig ka sa intuition mo, lakas ng gut feeling mo na mayroong naiinggit sa'yo behind your back. So, let's see what is the Eight of Pentacles and of course the King of Wands. What is the Eight of Pentacles and the King of Wands? There's a Nine of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance and the King of Swords. Pagiging wais, no? Kung gusto mo makamtan at maranasan tong abundance na to, maging wais and of course maging practical ka at maging matalino sa pagdedesisyon, no? Power of the deck is the Two of Wands. So let's see what is the outcome. Outcome is the Eight of Wands. A past communication, a fast movement, or email or messages. At the same time, there's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. Magdadala sa'yo ng balance. So, some of you, there's the word card, trouble, no? May energy dito na maaari makapag-travel ka, no? Baka ito yung big opportunities or new opportunities, no, na darating sa buhay mo. Ito nag-travel na to, baka makapag-ibabansa ka or makapunta ka sa ibang bansa by work or by experience or something, diba? And of course, there's a travel talaga, double clarification ng travel. May travel ka talaga dito na magdadala sa iyo ng balance. Magkakaroon ka ng balance dito. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? In your spirit guides. There's a cassette, no? Some of you replaying. Ibig sabihin dito, wag mo nang hayaang uliting mangyari 'yon, no? Yung mga bagay na 'yon. And of course, there is a paradise, happiness, no? Sinasabi dito magiging masaya at magkakaroon ka ng expansion. Wow. So let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Okay. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? There's a close off, persistence, guarded, no? Protectionan mo yung sarili mo, protectionan mo kung ano man ang meron ka, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan guarded ka, no? At binabantayan mo closely. And of course, there's apology. So, there's a person coming back for you para humingi ng tawad at humingi ng kapatawaran. And of course, there's truth, no? Ito ay expression ng katotohanan. Katotohanan. So, let's see what is additional messages for what is the chakra. What is the chakra? Impatient. Some of you baka minamadali mo na yung eksena para nagkakaroon ka ng padalos-dalos na decision. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na maging aware ka at mag-ingat sa mga desisyong eksena mo, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for this energy. And of course, there's a release, no? Kailangan mo daw i-release tong negativity. Kailangan mo i-release yung mga negativity na nakapalibot sa'yo. And of course, there's a self-worth. Dapat alam mo alam mo dapat kung asan yung kumbaga, kung saan ka talagang ilulugar or kung ano yung position mo, di ba? Kailangan alam mo yung kahalagahan mo. And of course, there's a grip, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na nangyari na hindi na natin mababalik, no? Kahit na anong gawin mo, hindi mo na yung mababalik. So, what is additional messages for this energy? There's a journey. Ibig sabihin dito, kasama siya sa tatahakin mo landas at talaga nasa plan niya ni God na pagdadaanan mo. And of course, there's a magician in the mirror. Manifestation and reflection, no? Kumbaga, yung may mga bagay na ginagawa ka at magre-reflect lang din sa'yo yan. So, ibig sabihin, maging aware ka, di ba? Baka bumalik sa'yo lahat ng mga pinagagawa mo, kaya mag-ingat ka. At the same time, there is an hostilities. Protect your power, protect your energy. Let's see what is additional messages. What is additional messages? And of course, there's an I'm sorry. Lakas ang energy dito May apology dito There's an apology. Defenselessness, righting fast wrongs, and uprooting, no? Paghingi ng tawad. Paumanhin po, parang ganon. So, let's see. There's a lost line, soul memories, and gift. You've done this before. Nangyari na to dati. Kumbaga, nangyari na to sa past life mo, no? Yung nangyari na tong yung mga pagkakataon na to, yung mga pinagdaanan mo, nangyari na to sa past life mo. Kumbaga na reincarnate lang, no? May mga bagay na nangyari na sa'yo na nauulit-ulit. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo ng spirit guides para at least kumbaga yung mga nangyari from the past hindi na mangyari ulit, no? Kumbaga, there is soul memories, no? Ang ganda ng energy dito, there's a past life. There's a past life eksena talaga, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a speaker. Orasyon. Ibig sabihin talaga, ang lakas ng sense dito na mayroong about sa spirituality. And of course, talk to your angels. Kung kailangan mong kausapin ng mga angels, guides mo, diba, to help you at malaman mo yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo. And of course, there's a sensitivity. Kailangan, kumbaga, maging sensitive ka, no? At yun ang kailangan mo para malaman mo kung ano yung kaganapan nangyayari sa paligid mo. Ang lakas ng energy dito na parang nagkaroon ng, kumbaga, past life memories. And of course, there's, kumbaga, reincarnations. So, what is, romance angels messages? There's a give your relationship a chance. So, ibig sabihin na itong person na to, nakasama mo na rin siya in the past life. My God. Talagang meron kayong soul contract. And of course, there's our children. Some of you baka may mga anak kayo, no? Kumaga, naiipit sa sitwasyon yung mga anak niyo. And of course, give your relationship a chance. Kumaga, work on your partner. Ibig sabihin dito, maaari nagkakaroon ng tabangan, no? Tinatabangan na yung pagmamahal niyo sa isa't isa. So, ibig sabihin dito, ibalik mo yon, no? Huwag mong hayaan magkamali ka. Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. Kasi parang nagkaroon kayo ng soul contract or the past life, no? There's a self-esteem. And of course, dito, a positive gift from the soul that benefits me and others. So, ibig sabihin talaga, there's a soul gift talaga. My goodness. And of course, there's a loneliness. Hindi ka daw nag-iisa. So, what is the Monsology? Ang taray ng eksena mo, ha? You are good enough, no? Sapat ka na daw. At the same time, your dreams need a practical plan. So, kung ano yung mga pinapangarap mo, no, kailangan mo ng practical na desisyon. At wais na desisyon. Ganon. Hindi pala desisyon. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a spring awakening. Parang bigla kang magigising or magkakaroon ka ng idea na, oo nga, parang nangyari na to, no? Parang, ganito, napunta ako sa ganitong lugar, or parang nakita ko na susunod na mangyayari, parang ganon. Kasi nga, there is a soul contract, or there is a reincarnation. And see, there's a prophecy. See? Nangyari na to, nasa propesya to. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, yung bagay na nangyari na to sa nakaraan. Oh my God! Ang ganda. Alam niyo guys, first time ko itong makakabasa ng ganito ha. There's a reincarnation from the past frontal memories, no? And because there's a boundaries. So, kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries dito. Ang ganda ng story mo dito, Tiha. Binago mo yung eksena ng reading na to. So, what is additional Archangel Michael messages? Spend more time outdoor, no? Kailangan mong lumanghap ng sariwang hangin, lumanghap ng mga bagay-bagay, di ba? Palawakin mo ang kaisipan mo, explore your option. Huwag kang bumasi sa isang opinion lang. So, what is additional Jesus-loving quotes? Whosoever shall do will all my Father which in the heaven, the same my brother and sister and my mother. Ibig sabihin dito, kung ano man yung nangyayari sa'yo, no? Kung ano man yung pinagkaloob sa'yo ng ating Panginoon, no? Maaaring, ganun din yung mga nangyari sa mga kapatid mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, ibig sabihin, same kayo ng mga scenario. So, ibig sabihin dito, baka magkakapatid kayo in the past life memories or something na may kilalaman kayo, no? Sa isa't isa talaga. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Okay. Bago natin basahin yan, angel's number muna. Kalimutan natin. Angel's number. There's a 12. I am visionary. My God. Creativity is a driving force in your life. Your imagination is rich and you are able to express your feelings and insights in unique ways that others can benefit from. So, see, nabibisions mo na eh. No? And yung, kumbaga, nakikita mo na yung bagay na nangyari from the past. Nakita mo na yung mga nangyari. Kumbaga talaga nagkakaroon ng pagbabalik, no? Parang pagbabalik from from the many centuries, ganon. Kumbaga, binalik ka dahil may mission ka na dapat mong gawin. Kaya nandito si Jesus in Divine Healer. Baka some of you na nandito si Archangel Michael na sinasabi dito na maaaring maging manggagamot ka. No? And of course, return to the inner temple. Or some of you guys, sa tarot reader din. Today, I rediscover my inner self in the sacred silence. This is the inner temple in which I am able to calmly study the lessons life has providing me here. I regain my sense of tranquility. I retrieve my trust in the universe, but in the light of my inner temple, I know now, remember the value of each and every step of my life. Alam mo talaga na ibabalik ka talaga, no? Kung saan ka talaga nararapat. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng pagbabalik sa mga nakaraang pangyayari that because of may mission ka talaga na kailangan mong gawin sa buhay mo na hindi natapos sa mga nakaraang buhay mo. So guys, this reading is Archangel Raphael messages for the sign of Aries. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawa pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi nakik-skip ng ads, no? Naway pagpalain kayo, manumbalik sa inyo na siksik-liglig na umapaw, no? At the same time, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course location nyo. Kung asan kayo sulok ng mundo, baka sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang masagap, mahagilap ng ating mga gabay. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!